Fluency isn't just about learning, it's about speaking. And for the next few minutes, we're going to train your brain to think and respond in English. Fast. Don't just listen, speak out loud. Let's go. First, let's warm up. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat after me. Hey, how's it going? I've been really busy lately. That's awesome. Tell me more. I wasn't expecting that at all. No way. That's unbelievable. I totally get what you mean. Let's do it again, faster. Hey, how's it going? I've been really busy lately. That's awesome. Tell me more. I wasn't expecting that at all. No way. That's unbelievable. I totally get what you mean. Now let's train your brain to think in English. I'll ask a question and you answer in full sentences. Don't think in your language. Just respond in English. What's the best thing that happened to you this week? What do you usually do on weekends? If you could travel anywhere right now, where would you go? What's one thing you're really good at? Describe your favorite food in detail. What's one habit you want to improve? What's the last thing you bought? What's a fun memory from childhood? What's something you do every morning? If you had 1 extra hour every day, how would you use it? Great. Now let's practice real-life conversations. I'll say something and you respond naturally like you're talking to a friend. I just watched an amazing movie. I'm starving. What should we eat? Let's go out this weekend. Are you in? I'm not sure about this decision. What do you think? That was hilarious. Did you see that? I need some advice. Can you help me out? I just started learning something new. I feel so lazy today. I'm planning a trip soon. Any recommendations? I just heard some crazy news. Awesome. The goal is to respond quickly without hesitation. Now let's train your speaking speed. I'll say short sentences. Repeat them as fast as you can. Let's go. That's incredible. I can't believe it. What do you think? Sounds good to me. Are you serious? That's hilarious. Totally agree. I don't know. Let's try it. That's a great idea. I'm not sure about that. Why not? Sounds fun. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Now even faster. Let's go. That's incredible. I can't believe it. What do you think? Sounds good to me. Are you serious? That's hilarious. I totally agree. I don't know. Let's try it. That's a great idea. I'm not sure about that. Why not? Sounds fun. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Perfect. This is how you train your brain to speak English naturally. Now let's test your brain. I'll describe something and you guess the word. Say it out loud. It's something you use to call or text people. What is it? It's something you drink in the morning to wake up. What is it? It's a place where you go to buy groceries. What is it? It's something you wear on your feet every day. What is it? It's a person who fixes teeth. Who is it? It's something you open to enter a room. What is it? It's a device you use to check the time. What is it? It's something soft you sleep on. What is it? It's a place where students go to learn. What is it? This helps you think in English instead of translating. Every time you practice like this, you're getting closer to fluency. Think fast. Respond naturally. Speak without hesitation. Do this every day, and soon English will feel effortless. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next session.